How to type trademark. To type trademark with your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up the Safari browser on your iPhone. Then, tap on the search bar. Type in trademark symbol here in the search bar. Then, tap on search. After that, you need to copy this particular symbol from here. Minimize the application. Then, open up the default messaging app on your iPhone. Once you're in, open a conversation from here. Then, tap the chat box at the bottom. Write down a message, and long tap on the box to paste the trademark with your message. There you go, you have successfully added the trademark sign to your message. Now, tap on the send icon. By following these simple steps, you can easily type trademark. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.